Business owners and entrepreneurs, we want to make content. We want to make video content. We want to push that content online. But what tools do we actually need to do this fast, cheap, and effectively? In this video, I'm going to go over my 3 favorite tools so you can get started on your YouTube videos fast. Welcome to the channel. My name is Matthew and I'm here with Madcapper Marketing, making videos to help business owners and entrepreneurs create marketing videos so they can be successful in their business.
Yeah, like 4 bags of it.
In today's video, I'm going to jump into a few tools that I use on a daily basis for myself. I'm using them right now and actually for my clients as well. Right now, I'm shooting on my iPhone in 4K at 30 frames per second. I am shooting on 4K for one specific reason. Because my editor, what's up Carlos?
What up?
Told me that shooting on 4K is better. If you're interested in learning a little bit about 1080p or 4K and what's the difference, you can watch that video. I'm gonna link to it here. All right, so where do we start? First things first, we need a camera. So what kind of camera are you gonna use? I myself am using my iPhone Max Pro. Most of the people I work with have an iPhone or access to a similar type of camera. The next thing you need is a lavalier. Bam, bam. Yes, you can use the onboard mic. Hey, it works. But why not have better sound? So the lavalier that we use is the PV510 Plus. This thing works. It's got a long extension cord. It actually runs down my shirt onto the floor and right up onto the camera that I'm talking to right now. But since I have an iPhone Max, it does not plug directly into the iPhone. So what do I need? I need a fancy little gizmo attachment. We call this the lightning to headphone jack. So if you're shooting on an iPhone, you might need the lightning to headphone jack adapter. And that's it. You need these 3 tools to create awesome, really good content. It's gonna be fast and easy. And the final tool that you really need to consider when shooting videos on your iPhone or similar smartphone device is your lighting. Now, if you don't have studio lighting like I actually have going on right now, or a window with beautiful natural light coming in, you might wanna consider a ring light. The one we use is the Samtian ring light. It works great. You can stick your iPhone in the middle, it turns on. I'm actually gonna show you how it looks right now. It's dimmable, it's easy to set up, and the best part, it's cheap.
It's the cheapest person I've ever met.
Right now it's on sale on Amazon for under $50. Come on. Ridiculous. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn this sucker around and I'm actually going to show you an example of what it looks like. All right, here I am shooting in 1080p on our second iPhone just to give you an example of what it looks like when I'm shooting without the light. You can see it's kind of got dramatic lighting on the side of my face, but let me turn the ring light on. Much better. I think it works a lot better in situations like this. So if you're creating content, I mean, the Samtian ring light is fantastic because it's easy to set up. It's under 50 bucks. You can stick your iPhone right in the middle of it. I mean, check this out. It's absolutely beautiful. So in conclusion, what are the tools that we need? Well, you need your smartphone. In my case, it's the iPhone. Then you need your pop voice, your lavalier, preferred wired so that you don't have the static. And then you need your lightning to headphone adapter so that you can plug your lavalier into your iPhone. And then of course, finally, you need your ring light. So between those 4 tools, you are up and running and you can start making videos. One thing I did forget that you might want to look into is a standalone tripod for your iPhone, but the ring light does come with a stand that you can put your iPhone in, which is why I didn't mention it in this video. So if you liked this video and found value in it, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.